Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made this delicious ogbono soup using frying method. Let's get started. Here I have got about 3/4 cup of ogbono, which I'm going to be using for this soup. I'll be grinding it later. For protein, I'll be using some cow flesh, cow stripe, and a cow skin. I'll also add some stock fish. Then to cook this, I'll use some chopped onions, salt, and some seasoning cubes. I'll add little water, mix everything together, and cook. I'm also adding a teaspoon of ginger and garlic powder. It will add a good taste to the meat and the soup. I'll stir and continue to cook until everything gets cooked and soft. While the meat is cooking, I've gone ahead to prepare all the other ingredients. Here I have ground the ogbono. For vegetables, I'll be using oziza, which I have chopped, and the ugu, which I've also cut. I'll also be using some fresh pepper, smoked catfish, some crayfish, and some tiny chopped momo, cow skin. And I'll be adding this obe, which my ogbono seller convinced me to add. And I must confess it tasted so great in the soup. Now that everything is ready, let's prepare the soup. Into a dry pot, I'll add some palm oil, about 1.5 cooking spoon of palm oil. And when it gets dissolved, I'll add some salt, a little salt, the chopped onions, fry a bit, and then add the ogbono. My heat is on low so that the ogbono doesn't get burnt. And then I'll fry and dissolve the ogbono inside the palm oil. Next, I'll add some water. I'll stir and cook the ogbono for some minutes. Transfer the ogbono to the pot of meat. You can equally transfer the meat to the pot of ogbono. All transfers are the same. It is now time to add the other ingredients: the pomo, the smoked catfish, the crayfish, the peppers, and the remaining seasoning cube, the bay, and then we stir and mix together. Once it's too thick for me, I'll be adding it a little water. Continue to stir, cover, and allow to cook for about 15 minutes, and keep stirring at intervals so that the ogbono will not get burnt. The soup is bubbling. You can see the way it's bubbling. After testing it, there was not enough pepper, so I added a little more of dry ground Cameroon pepper. That's what we call it. We call it Cameroon pepper. Our ogbono soup is almost ready. Please help me to click on the like button if you haven't done so. Thank you. It is now time to add the vegetables. I will start by adding the uziza leaf first. I will stir and allow it to cook for about a minute before I add the ugu. This will enable the uziza taste, the flavor, to enter the soup very well. Get what I'm saying? Now add the ugu. I'll also stir it and allow it to cook for about a minute or so, and our soup is ready. Thank you all for watching. If today is your first time of tuning in here, you are highly welcomed. Thank you so much for coming. My name is Henrietta Onyemere. And to my old friends and subscribers, I love and appreciate you so much. Thank you all for your support. Please don't forget to like the video and also share it to your friends and families. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you.